So hi guys, today we are gonna make this wonderful and beautiful game called mind reading game. So let's see its gameplay. So it will tell us to choose a number from So it will tell us to choose a number from 1 to 63. I chose it. Yes, it is 37. 37, yeah. 37. No. 37, yes. 37, no. 37, 37, 37, 37, no. 37, no. Now it will tell us the right answer. What was the number? Yeah, like that. So now I will show you the code of this thing. So I noticed that when it receives, I have not shown you the whole gameplay, but yeah, we can restart this game too. So let's start with start. It is a bit funny. So when you click the flag, it switches to costume. I have given button effect. If you don't want, you cannot give. I have given all the buttons. This. So if you want, you can give, or else not. I will show you one button effect like this. So I have given it like this. The button effect is like that. So that's why it is looking like a button. If you want to give, you can give to them all. And then when I touches it, it switch. Then it broadcasts FG and hide, and it follower go to this position, whatever it is. I don't know. Then I'm just telling you the code, because if I wrote the code, the video will be a bit lengthy. That's why I'm not coding it. So when sprite 3 means the answer giver is the answer giver sprite. Yeah. When it is when the flag is clicked, it hides. And when it receives SG means start game, which is here. So it goes to this position, and it shows. And when it receives 1, I will tell you afterwards. Then it just choose a number from 1 to 63 for 5 seconds. It just saves. And again it says that is the number in this card for 3 seconds. And then just stop the script. And you just have to drag out stop all. And just click on the drop down arrow and the script. And just click on the script. And then after that, when the flag is clicked forever, backdrop number is equal to 8. I have not shown you the backdrops. These are the backdrops. I took all of them from Google, living in Ashburn. Yeah. Then first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. I will give you all these in the description. Link in the description. Yeah. Cool. Yes. If you want, I will not give this link in the description. I will just give this card link in the description. Yeah. Good. Then there's the So backdrop number is equal to 8. What do you mean by number? Now I will tell. The top left corner of this thumbnail is called the backdrop number, and this the costume one name. It is the backdrop name. We can change it by clicking here and typing something else, but I will leave it just like here. And then the backdrop number is equal to 8. If backdrop is equal to blank, then it will think. It is in here. Think for him. Then it will think. I think it is. Yes, it is. Then it will say join is your wait. I accidentally put is at the start. is, yeah, your number is counting scores means it is a variable. It is a variable, yeah. Now this, I will delete this variable. Now let's go on. Yes. Don't forget this code to being right with you just when I will tell you to write this code. And it was the same when I receive. When this sprite receives 1, it switches to costume 1. It is button effect, so that's why it shows go to this position right here at -189 and x -189 and y -153. And forever, if touching mouse pointer and mouse down means if you touch it and if you press the mouse, then it will broadcast costume. Button effect and then broadcast costume. Then it will be hidden. And then when it is clicked, when flag is clicked, if backdrop number is equal to 7, backdrop name is equal to 7, backdrop name is equal to backdrop 7, then hide. So as I shown you, this is my backdrop 7 name, backdrop 7. So when backdrop 7, backdrop name is equal to backdrop 7, then it should be hidden. So I have done the hide. So here is also whole same thing, just the position is different from that. Yes. And when it receives costume, costume, that time switches to costume 1, then broadcast next. If we broadcast next what I said just now, the backdrops will be changed. Backdrops will be changed again and again. And only one time, not again and again. Only one time the backdrops will be changed. And so this is the thing for now. And for restart, when the flag is clicked, it will hide. When it is restart means here, when it says the last answer. And when it is restart, that time it switches to costume means button effect, and again it broadcast 1 and FG. Here also it broadcast 1, and when it is one more place where it broadcast 1. You can remake this project when I share this. So so when it broadcasts 1 and broadcasts FG, it hides again. Then again on stage, we came on stage. When the flag is clicked, set counting score to 0 and switch to costume 1 means this, the start of the round. Because here is start, that makes sense sometimes. Then when the backdrop receives costume means yes. Then it waits 1 second, and if backdrop number is equal to 2, means if backdrop number is equal to 2 means the first backdrop, then it changes the counting score by 1. Same for 5. If backdrop number is equal to 5, it will change counting score by 8. Listen properly, it will change counting score by 8. If you want to, you have to put 1 second between when I receive costume and if backdrop number is equal to. And again, if backdrop number is equal to 3, it will change costume by 2. If backdrop number is equal to 6, it will change counting score by 16. When it is costume, if backdrop number is equal to 4, it changes the counting score by 4. Then when the backdrop receives costume again, if backdrop number is equal to 7, it changes counting score by 32. Don't forget to don't forget to drag wait 1 second, means wait 0.1 seconds between the when I receive costume and if backdrop number is equal to. Then counting scores of variable, don't be confused between that. So when it receives next, and when we click on no, and when we click on yes, it broadcasts costume, and when costume receives, when no receives costume, it broadcasts next. So that's why I gave that link there. That makes some kind of sense. Do that? I don't think. Yeah, I think so. Then when it receives next, it will just repeat one time, because if you just leave it like that, it will just continuously change the backdrop. So that's why when I receive next, when the backdrop receives next, it will just repeat one time that it will switch to next backdrop. Then when the flag is clicked, forever backdrop number, you know what backdrop number is greater than, if backdrop number is greater than 7, then it switches to backdrop 7. Now don't be confused, yeah. So backdrop number is this. If the backdrop number is greater than 7, see this thing, then it will switch to backdrop number 7. Don't be confused between these. Then when it receives FG, means start game, which is right here, then you can just broadcast, then you will just switch to backdrop 1, not costume 1. Costume 1 is this, and backdrop 1 is this. Then it switches to costume 1 and broadcast 1. Yeah, and then the game is now working like that. You have to see it come. Here is the broadcast 1. Then you can write see here when it receives. First, this is first in backdrop. When it receives start game, that time it first broadcast 1, and when it is the end of the game, if you click on restart, it again broadcast 1 and broadcast start game, because we don't have to again and again keep going on start and again this. So I directly done that all. So here our game is finished. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. When you subscribe, I need to make more videos. I am inspired by you. That's why please like and subscribe. I will give all the cards link in the description. You can make the start screen by yourself. Thank you and peace. Bye.